Potential due to a point charge. Let us consider a positive point charge Q at O and also consider a point P at a distance R from O. Our aim is to calculate electric potential V at point P. In order to determine potential at P, let us consider a unit positive charge at P dash, which is at R dash distance from O. Now the electrostatic force on unit positive charge is F is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into 1 by R dash square. Therefore, F is equals to F is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R dash square, equation number 1. Let dW is the work done in moving unit positive charge against the force through dr dash distance, then dW equals to minus F dr dash. This is equation number 2. Substitute 1 in 2. Therefore, dW is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R dash square dr dash, equation number 3. Total work done W is obtained by integrating equation 3 between the limits infinity to R. Therefore, W is equals to with minus integration infinity to R Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R dash square dr dash is equals to with minus is equals to minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught integration infinity to R 1 by R dash square dr dash. Therefore, integration of 1 by R dash square is equals to minus 1 by R dash. Therefore, W is equals to minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into minus 1 by R dash limits infinity to R. Substituting limits, W is equals to minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught upper limit minus lower limit minus 1 by R plus 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity equals to 0. Therefore, W is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. This is the work done in bringing unit positive charge from infinity to the point P. This gives the potential at point P. Therefore, V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. This is equation number 4 Equation 4 represents potential due to a point charge q. Thank you.